significant security breach involving Jungkook has come to light, revealing a case of identity theft and unauthorized stock manipulation. This incident occurred shortly after Jungkook's military enlistment in January of the 2024 resulted in the illicit transfer of his HYBE Corporation shares. Specifically, the perpetrator managed to steal 33,500 shares of Jungkook's HYBE stock. At the time of the theft, these shares were valued at approximately 8.4 billion Korean won, highlighting the substantial financial implications of the crime. The operation involved the creation of a fraudulent security account under Jungkook's name, through which the stolen shares were then moved and traded without his consent. Of the total shares, 33,000 were transferred to this newly established account, while the remaining 500 were sold to an unidentified third party. HYBE acted swiftly upon discovering the fraudulent activity. They immediately implemented measures to stop any further transactions, effectively preventing any actual financial loss to Jungkook. This rapid response included freezing payments associated with the compromised account and initiating steps to restore the stock holdings to their original state. In 2024, Jungkook pursued legal actions to recover the 500 shares that had been sold to the third party. The Seoul Western District Court ruled in his favor, ordering the third party to return the shares. Despite the successful recovery of these shares, the individual responsible for the identity theft and stock manipulation remains unidentified. HYBE has emphasized their commitment to prevent future incidents by strengthening the security protocols surrounding their artists' personal and device-related information. They also indicated that they are cooperating with law enforcement in the ongoing investigation to apprehend the culprit. This incident shows the increasing vulnerability of high-profile individuals to sophisticated cybercrimes and the importance of strict security measures in the digital age.